why we have to celebrate today? Do you know any one of you? Good, good. What do you see? Listen, any one of you, what do you know about Srinivas Ramanujan? Who can raise your hand first? I can give you the chance to say something. What do you know about Srinivas Ramanujan?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Only one.
Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar was born on December 22nd, 1887. He combined over 3,500 identities and equations in his life. Walter Hardy was a professor of mathematics in Cambridge University. One day, Hardy went to visit Ramanujan. When Ramanujan heard that Hardy had come in a taxi, Ramanujan asked the number of the taxi was. Hardy said it was a just bearing number 1729. Ramanujan replied 1729 is an interesting number that could be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. And 1729 is known as Hardy Ramanujan number. In 2011, his birthday was celebrated as annual National Mathematics Day. He passed away on April 26, 1920 at the age of 53.
Good, good.
Ma'am, can I tell one thing, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can. Very good, Amma. Give her claps. She said very nicely, right? Yes?
Ma'am, he died. Ma'am, he died 33 years, ma'am. He died, ma'am.
At the age of 33 years, he was died. Right, good. It's true. Any others?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, can I
afternoon.
tell?
Let her say. Huh?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, every one of you mute yourself. Only that girl has to tell.
Okay, ma'am.
You all of you are very good students. You will be following. Yes, sir. Durga Bhasan, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Happy Mathematics Day. Happy Mathematics Day, ma'am. Happy Mathematics Day, ma'am. Happy Mathematics Day. Happy Mathematics Day, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Happy Mathematics Day, ma'am.
Thank you. I wish you the same. Listen, children. Listen. Our giant secretary.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Mathematics Day, ma'am. Happy Mathematics Day.
Okay, every one of you first mute yourself. Okay, now this is the time already 12:57. We are going to start exactly at 1 p.m. Right? You all of you listen very carefully what all your friends are giving about mathematics. Right?
Can I tell now? Okay, ma'am.
Durga Prasad sir, may I request you?
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, whatever you want to say, you put in chat box, right? Okay, we all of us will follow the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell now? Good afternoon, ma'am. Whatever, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam.
Function. Ma'am, shall I use?
Very good afternoon to everyone, Anna. Please mute yourself, everyone. Ram.
Good afternoon, ma'am. On your turn. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Good evening.
Good afternoon, everyone. Durga Prasad sir, good afternoon.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good
Sir, may
afternoon, ma'am.
may I request you to start the session.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Everyone, please be mute.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Everyone, please.
Durga Prasad
Good afternoon,
sir,
sir.
listen, be quiet, all of you. Please mute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Ramkrishna from 4th year section.
Good. Durga Prasad sir, may I request you to start the session with the mathematics.
Good morning, ma'am.
Maths faculty, you start the session.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to start, ma'am, now. A very warm welcome to respected principal madam, respected teachers, and all the parents and students. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate National Mathematics Day on account of the birth anniversary of Indian mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Nellore, Tamil Nadu. His full name is Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. He was awarded as Fellow of the Royal Society. In the past, we celebrated Maths Day physically, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are doing it online because pandemics come and go, but some great personalities and some specific days have to be ever cherished. I wish you all happy Mathematics Day. We'll begin our program with a video about Srinivasa Ramanujan by Nursing Rao sir.
Thank you, sir. That was very informative.
Today, I am honored to speak about a great personality who always keeps inspiring students through her captivating words. Yes, I am talking about our principal madam, Mrs. J. Aruna Kumari Garu. Ma'am has the degree of MSc, B.Ed, and she didn't stop here. She went forward doing PhD in fluid mechanics, mathematics through JNTUC University. Ma'am has experience as a math teacher for 8 years. Because of her skills, passion, and enthusiasm towards her work, she became principal in 2003 and served in the best way she could do to provide betterment to the institution. Ma'am was selected as head examiner for mathematics. Also, Ma'am got the Best Principal Award. Based on her experience, Ma'am has been selected by the CBSE board as a chief mentor. I must say, Ma'am is one of the most loving and caring teachers. She understands every student and she herself took classes on certain topics. Thank you. Moving on.
Listening to bedtime stories and life stories of some famous people are quite inspiring and teach us good ethics and morals. Did anybody listen to the story of Shakuntala Devi?
Yes, I have. She is also known as Human Calculator, and I've seen a movie based on her.
Now let's look at the role play of Shakuntala Devi done by Lionsy of class 6.
Do you know who is she? Yes, she is none other than our great human computer, Shakuntala Devi. Now let's go to Shakuntala Devi's role. I am Shakuntala Devi. I was born on 4th November 1929 in Bangalore. People called me human computer because I can calculate very fastly. But I did not like the title because every human mind has more capability than the computers. When I was in 3 years, my father discovered that I had an amazing ability to memorize numbers. Many of people think that education is just about going to school and getting a degree, but it's not true. When I was in 6 years, I proved arithmetic capabilities in the University of Mysore. Actually, I did not have any formal education, but I traveled a lot. In this time, I learned a lot. In 1980, I calculated the random 213-digit numbers by the Department of Computing at the Imperial College London. I answered within 28 seconds. This event was recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records. Mathematics has no rule, it has magic. Without maths, nothing you can do. Maths is everywhere. Our universe is filled with mathematics. Apart from maths, I am also in politics and astrologies. Now let's start. Get ready with your pen and paper. I will write questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 9. Now I am going to write the answer. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is my answer. Check with your answer. Now I am going to write another question. Is 4294 96 7297 is a prime number? No, it's not. Now I am going to write another question. 120 41 969 into 100 81 928. Now I am going to write the answer. 121 406 2644 36232. This is my answer. Check with your answer. Bye children. See you later. Thank you.
It was really a wonderful act done by Lalitya. Ovia, have you heard a story on geometry?
Yes, I have. But the one which I heard was not really interesting.
Well then, let's look at story on geometry done by Snigdha of class 8.
Geometry. Is it all about points, lines, surfaces, solids, and dimensions? Well, not actually.
Hello everyone, I am Snigdha. Today I am going to tell the story of geometry. This is a story of more than 1400 years ago. Egypt is blessed with the great beauty of nature.
The Nile River has been overflowed by year after year, washing down the black mud surrounding mountains. This mud gave the Egyptians fertile soil, which is essential for growth of crops. Each year, the floods washed away the marks that the farmers marked for their boundaries. Each year, they had to find a way to put back the boundary marks, and this taught them a great deal of geometry. Now, an Egyptian surveyor walked with three slaves behind him carrying a rope with knots in special places. They made a right angle triangle with a ratio 3:4:5. The Egyptians didn't know how or why it worked, but the one thing they observed is that no matter how long the rope is, but if the bend in the ratio 3:4:5, it would make a right angle triangle, which is useful for them. Now, 100 years later, a Greek merchant named Thales arrived Egypt because of his interest and knowledge of Egypt. He devoted all his time to geometry, astronomy, and mathematics. He created logical thinking, hence giving rise to science of geometry. We all know Pythagoras, right? He is the student of Thales. On the advice of his teacher, he arrived Egypt. When he was around the age of 50, he gathered few followers called Pythagoreans. They all worked together and proved why the rope when bent in 3:4:5 ratio actually worked. And this is the Pythagoras theorem, which says that the area of the square whose side of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. This is why the knotted rope of Egyptians worked.
In 400 BC, in a place near Athens, there was a man named Academus who owned a walled garden called Academia.
This is where the great philosopher Plato taught. Plato had a design that games should help people to gain knowledge. He had very strict rules for his students. He had a sign on his board saying, "Let no man destitute of geometry enter my doors." Infinity was a great feather for Plato. So to avoid construction which involved infinity, he has another strict rule, which was that only a ruler and compass could be used for geometric constructions. Around 300 BC, a man named Euclid wrote the best book on geometry, which consisted of 13 books, each written on a separate piece of pavement. The entire name of the book is The Element. Thank you.
That was really an interesting story.
Now, let's welcome M. Revant of class 10 to ask a riddle and say a life incident of Ramanujan.
Good evening, one and all. I'm here to say some interesting facts about Srinivasa Ramanujan and ask few questions. So, the interesting fact is when Srinivasa Ramanujan was 13, he had completed advanced trigonometry and discovered complex theorems on his own. I also have a question. Please try to answer it in the chat box.
Okay.
The question is, among A, B, C, D, and E, each having a different height, B is taller than D, E is shorter than A, C is taller than B but shorter than E. Who among them is the tallest? Please try to answer this question in the chat box.
The chart box is locked.
It is coming recent burger. It is not going.
The correct answer for this question is option A. A is the tallest among them.
Thank you, Raymond.
Ankit, did you ever see shapes like rectangle and triangle singing and dancing?
No, not really.
Well then, let's have a look on class 2nd students' shaped song.
Snack.
Wow, what a song on math shapes. That was melodious and well performed.
అంకిత్ నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా బుర్రకథ చూసావా?
లేదు, ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చూడలేదు.
అయితే పద ఇప్పుడు 5వ మరియు 6వ తరగతి చదువుతున్న ఎంవి చందన, ఎంవి సంజన ఇంకా ఆశ్రిత మన కోసం బుర్రకథ చేయబోతున్నారు.
చదువులనిచ్చే సరస్వతి తల్లి చల్లగట్టుడమ్మా, శత్రు వినాశం చేసట దుర్గా జయమునియవమ్మా, ఈరోజు ఏ కథ చెప్పబోతున్నావు? ఏం చెప్తాడులే, ఏ మహారాజు కదో ఏ మహాభారత కథో చెప్తాడు. ఈ రోజు మనం విజ్ఞాన జ్యోతి విద్యాలయానికి వచ్చాం కదా, ఏదో ప్రత్యేకత ఉండే ఉంటుంది. ఏమిటా ప్రత్యేకత అన్ననే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఈ రోజు జాతీయ గణిత దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా మనందరం ఇక్కడ కలుసుకున్నాం. ఈ రోజే మనం గణిత దినోత్సవం ఎందుకు జరపాలి? ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు వేద భారతిలో జన్మించిన ఒక గణిత మేధావి పుట్టినరోజు. ఎవరా గణిత మేధావి చెప్తా విను. వేద భారతం ఏమిటో ఆ గణిత మేధావి ఎవరో చెప్పవయ్యా. కడలి సజం తరిసా మిలమిల మెరిసే తారకలంటి మేటి గొల్ల గడ్డరా, మేటి గొల్ల గడ్డరా, అలాంటి ఈ పుణ్యభూమిలో అనాది కాలం నుండి ఆర్యభట్ట, భాస్కరాచార్య వంటి మేధావులు జన్మించారు. వారితో పోల్చదగిన వ్యక్తే ఈనాటి మన కథానాయకుడు శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్. శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ పేద ఇంటిలో పుట్టి పెరిగిన రామానుజం కథలా, గణిత శాస్త్రంలో పేరు పొందిన రామానుజం కథలా, 1887లో డిసెంబర్ 22న ఆనాటి మద్రాస్ ప్రెసిడెన్సీ ప్రాంతంలో నివసించే ఉప్పుస్వామి శ్రీనివాస అయ్యంగార్, కోమలత అమల్ దంపతులకు వారి కులదైవమైన నామక్కల్ అమ్మవారి వరంగా జన్మించాడు మన శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్. శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ 13వ ఏటనే ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీ చేసెను. మెట్రికులేషన్ పరీక్షలో అగ్రస్థానంలో విజయుడై యూనివర్సిటీ వారిచే స్కాలర్షిప్లు పొందెను. వినరాబాల విద్యాపుత్రుని విజయగాథ వినరా, చదువు సంధ్యలో పేరు పొందిన చక్కనయ్య కథరా, ఇలా నిరంతర స్వయం కృషితో సంఖ్యాశాస్త్రంలో నైపుణ్యం పెంచుకున్నాడు. తను సృష్టించిన సూత్రాలను రుజువు చేశాడు. ఎలిప్టిక్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్, హైపర్ జియోమెట్రిక్ సిరీస్, థియరీ ఆఫ్ డైవర్జెన్స్ సిరీస్ లో ఆయన చేసిన పరిశోధన జర్నల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ సొసైటీలో ఆర్ రామచంద్రరావు గారు ప్రచురించారు. రామానుజన్ కు గణితం పైన ఉన్న మక్కువ వలన సంఖ్యాశాస్త్రంలో పరిశోధనకై ఇంగ్లాండ్ వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకున్నాడు. కానీ అయ్యో, రామానుజన్ కన్న కళ్ళలన్నీ కళ్ళలైపోయనే, కళ్ళలైపోయనే. పై చదువుకు ఇంగ్లాండు వెళ్ళలేకపోయనే, వెళ్ళలేకపోయనే. డబ్బు లేని కారణమున చదువు ఆగిపోయనే, చదువు ఆగిపోయనే. వినురా సోదర సరస్వతి పుత్రుని దీనగాధనిప్పుడు, మీరు పేదగాధనిప్పుడు. అప్పుడు రామానుజన్ ఏం చేశారన్నా, ఇళ్ళకి రామానుజన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్ వెళ్ళారా లేదా? అప్పుడు రామానుజన్ ఏం చేశారంటే తను కనుక్కున్న గణిత సూత్రాలను పరిశీలించడానికి ఆనాటి ప్రఖ్యాత బ్రిటిష్ గణిత శాస్త్రవేత్త జిహెచ్ హార్డీకి 9 పేజీల లేఖను రాశాడు. 9 పేజీలే. ఆ లేఖ అనుకున్న హార్డీ ఎలా స్పందించారు? ఏ గురువు శిక్షణ లేని సూత్రాలలో లేవవి. అతని తెలివితేటలు మహా మేధావులే అర్థం చేసుకోనంత కష్టంగా ఉన్నాయి. ఆ లేఖ అందుకున్న ఆర్డి చాలా ఆశ్చర్యపడి ఉంటారు కదన్నా. అవును, కంటిన్యూస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ గురించిన రామానుజన్ థియరమ్స్ చూసిన హార్డీ ఏమన్నారంటే, these theorems have defeated me completely. I have never seen least like them before. Certainly the most remarkable I have received. రామానుజన్ అద్భుత పరిశోధనని గుర్తించిన హార్డీ ఇంగ్లాండ్లోని క్యాంబ్రిడ్జ్ యూనివర్సిటీకి ప్రయాణించి ఏర్పాట్లు చేశారు. అబ్బో, ఎంత గొప్ప విషయమో కదన్నా. వినరా బాలా విద్యాపుత్రుని విజయగాథ వినరా, ఓటమి నిర్వకు పోరాడే ఒక వీరబాల కథరా. అప్పుడు రామానుజన్ తల్లి విలపిస్తూ ఇంగ్లాండ్ వెళ్ళొద్దని ప్రతిమాలింది. ఎందుకన్నా? రామానుజన్ తల్లి ఏం కారణం చెప్పారు? రామానుజన్ తల్లి ఏమన్నారంటే, నాన్న, ఓడ ప్రయాణం మనకి పనికిరాదురా, అక్కడి వాతావరణం మనకి సరిపడదు, అక్కడి ఆహార అలవాట్లు వేరు, అది చల్లని దేశం, అది వద్దు నాయనా వద్దు అని ఎంత బతిమాలినా రామానుజన్ వినలేదు. ఎంత పట్టుదల కదా. ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఎన్ని ఆంక్షలు పెట్టినా కూడా తన చిరకాల వాంఛ తీరే అవకాశం, గణితంలో మరెన్నో సాధించాలనే నిశ్చయం వాటన్నింటినీ పక్కకు తోసేశాయి. అంతేకాక వారి కులదైవమైన నామక్కల్ మహాలక్ష్మి అమ్మవారు రామానుజన్ భవిష్యత్తుకి అడ్డు రావద్దని అతని తల్లికి సంకేతించింది. అమ్మదయ ఉంటే అన్నీ ఉన్నట్టే. నామక్కల్ అమ్మవారికి జై, నామక్కల్ అమ్మవారికి జై, నామక్కల్ అమ్మవారికి జై. అక్కడ సినాప్సిస్ ఆఫ్ ప్యూర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లోని పెద్ద ఆచార్యులు కూడా సాధించలేని 6165 సిద్ధాంతాలను పరిష్కరించి నిరూపించి తన ప్రతిభను చాటాడు. అంతేకాక మ్యాజిక్ స్క్వేర్స్, కంటిన్యూడ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్, ప్రైమ్ నంబర్స్, ఎలిప్టిక్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ వంటి అంశాలపై లోతైన పరిశోధనలు కూడా చేశారు. విద్యాపుత్రుని విజయగాథ వినరా, 10 మందికి ప్రేరణనిచ్చే స్ఫూర్తిరథ కథరా. అవునన్నా, భారతీయులు గర్వించగలిగే రామానుజన్ ఎంత గొప్పవాడో. అవును, రామానుజన్ అద్వితీయమైన మేధా సంపన్నుడు. ఖచ్చితంగా రామానుజన్ గొప్ప మేధావి. అన్న, మన రామానుజన్ కు సమానమైన వారు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? రామానుజన్ సింగ్ థియరీని 1919లో ప్రతిపాదిస్తే మనం ఇప్పటికీ, అంటే సుమారు 100 సంవత్సరాల తరువాత కూడా వాటిని సాధించలేక ఎంతో మంది గణితజ్ఞులు తికమకపడుతూ ఉంటారు. నీకు సుడుకో పజిల్ తెలుసా? తెలుసన్నా. అది కూడా మ్యాజిక్ స్క్వేర్స్ లాంటిదే, మన రామానుజన్ ప్రతిపాదించినదే. అమ్మో, ఎంత గొప్పవాడో మన గణిత మేధావి రామానుజన్. కానీ ఏంటన్నా, ఇంత చక్కని కథలో ఇదే పలుకు పెట్టావన్నా? యునాన్లోని చలివలన అప్పుడు 2వ ప్రపంచ యుద్ధం సమయం కావడంతో శాకాహారి అయిన మన రామానుజన్కు కూరగాయలు దొరక్క, సరైన ఆహారం, విశ్రాంతి లేక ఆయన టీబీ బారిన పడ్డారు. అయ్యో, అయినా కూడా రామానుజన్ చికిత్స పొందుతున్న సమయంలో అతడు ప్రతిపాదించిన థియరమ్స్ కి ప్రూఫ్ రాయడం మాత్రం మానలేదు. ఒకసారి హార్డీ రామానుజన్ని అతని అద్భుత మేధాశక్తికి కారణం ఏంటని ప్రశ్నించగా, అదంతా వారి కులదైవమైన మహాలక్ష్మి అమ్మవారి వరమని, అమ్మవారు అతని ప్రశ్నలకి సమాధానాలు మరియు మ్యాథమెటికల్ థియరమ్స్ ని ధ్యానంలో కానీ నిద్రలో కానీ అతని నాలుకపై రాస్తుందని చెప్పారు. An equation for me has no meaning unless it represents a thought of God అని అంటారు. ఇంత అద్భుతం నిజమే, మహా అద్భుతం. సంతాన తన సంతాన ప్రఖ్యాతిగాంచిన ఖాదీ రామానుజన్ నంబర్ మీకు తెలుసా? ఏంటవి? ఫోన్ నంబర్లా లేదా ఆధార్ నంబర్ లాంటిది ఏమైనా? కాదు, వినండి. ఒకసారి ప్రొఫెసర్ హార్డీ రామానుజన్ అస్వస్థతలో ఉన్నప్పుడు అతన్ని కలవడానికని క్యాబ్ లో వెళ్తాడు. అప్పుడు అతడు రామానుజన్తో ఆ క్యాబ్ నెంబర్ గురించి ఇలా అంటారు. ఐ హావ్ రిడెన్ ఇన్ టాక్సీ క్యాబ్ 1729. దిస్ నెంబర్ సీమ్స్ రాదర్ a dull one. వెంటనే రామానుజన్ ఇలా బదులిచ్చాడు. నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ నంబర్. It is the smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 is equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube and 1729 is equal to 9 cube plus 10 cube అని. అన్నా, ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న ప్రతి సంఖ్యతో రామానుజన్కు స్నేహం ఉన్నట్లుంది కదా. అందుకే గణిత శాస్త్రంలో అతని విజయాలను గుర్తించి రామానుజన్ని ఫెలో ఆఫ్ రాయల్ సొసైటీగా గౌరవించారు. మన భారత మాత బుద్ధుడుగా సాధించిన ఎంతో గొప్ప ఘనత ఇది. అద్భుతం, అత్యద్భుతం. అంతేకాదు, ఈ రోజుల్లో ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్స్ లేని రోడ్ చూపించే అత్యంత ఆధునికమైన ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ సిస్టమ్స్ నిర్మించడానికి ఫేస్బుక్ వంటి వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ లో రూట్స్ ని డిటెక్ట్ చేయడానికి రామానుజన్ గ్రాఫ్స్ వాడతారు. 19వ శకంలో రామానుజన్ గణితంలో చేసిన పరిశోధన కృషి యొక్క ప్రభావం ఒకటి మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీసెర్చ్ పై అత్యధికంగా ఉంది. గణిత శాస్త్రంలో రామానుజన్ సేవలకు గుర్తింపుగా ఆయన పుట్టినరోజును నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ డేగా ప్రకటించింది. అంతేకాదు, భారత ప్రభుత్వం 1962వ సంవత్సరంలో ఆయన 75వ జన్మదినం నాడు సంఖ్యాశాస్త్రంలో ఆయన చేసిన కృషిని కొనియాడుతూ స్మారక తపాలా బిళ్ళను విడుదల చేసింది. పిల్లలు విన్నారు కదా మన గణిత మేధావి రామానుజన్ కదా. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మన శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ని ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకొని మీ గురువులు చూపించిన బాటలో నడిచి మీ చదువును వ్యక్తిత్వాన్ని తీర్చిదిద్దుకోవాలి. ఇలా గణితం వంటి శాస్త్రంలో శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ వంటి పెద్ద శాస్త్రవేత్తలు మీలోని ప్రతి ఒక్కరు అవుతారు కదూ. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు, అందరికీ వందనాలు.
అద్భుతం. ఇంత మంచి ప్రదర్శన చూసినందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. Now let's see PPT on pie charts done by Gagana of class 8th.
I'm Sarvana from AHC. On the occasion of National Mathematics Day, I would like to share some information about pie chart and its history. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportions. The earliest known pie chart is generally credited to William Playfair's Statistical Breviary of 1801, in which two such graphs are used. Playfair presented an illustration which contained a series of pie charts. One of those charts depicted the proportions of the Turkish Empire located in Asia, Europe, and Africa before 1789. This invention was not widely used at first. Playfair thought that pie charts were in need of a third dimension to add additional information. It has been said that Florence Nightingale invented the pie chart. In fact, she just popularized it, and she was later assumed to have created it due to the obscurity of Playfair's creation. The French engineer Charles Joseph Maynard was one of the first to use pie chart in 1858. A map of his from 1858 used pie charts to represent the cattle sent from all around France for consumption in Paris. However, pie charts are now very widely used in the business world and in the mass media.
That was an incredible presentation done by Gagana. Moving ahead, Ankit, do you believe that math is everywhere?
Let's go now.
Yeah, yeah, but
Please be in mute. Okay, I guess you are in dilemma. To clarify this, let's see the presentation of Math is Everywhere by Abir Mankar of class 5th.
Everyone, this is Atul Manaka from class 50. Today I am going to show some yoga asanas that show some angles. Trikonasana. My arms are making a right angle or 90 degree. Virasana. My arms and my body are making a straight angle or 180 degrees. Navasana. My arms and my body are making a straight acute angle. Bhujangasana. My back and my hips are making an acute angle. By doing this all asanas, I understand that math is used everywhere in our daily life. Thank
yes, now I truly believe maths is everywhere. In fact, we are surrounded by mathematics.
Let's continue this program by welcoming back M. Revant to ask a riddle and tell a life incident of Ramanujan.
I will ask.
So another interesting fact about Srinivasa Ramanujan is that he is one of the youngest fellows in the history and the second Indian to be inducted as member of the Royal Society. So I have another question. Please answer it in the chat box. The question is, x is an odd number. Take an alphabet away from x and it becomes even. What is that number? You can answer this question in the chat box.
9, 0.
Please
Answer in the
answer
chat box.
in the chat box.
Okay. Nine.
The answer is 7. When we take away the alphabet S from 7, it becomes even.
Thank you, Revant.
Thank you.
Ovia, have you heard any math song?
No, I just have heard shape sound.
No.
Okay then, let's welcome Ikra Hanif and Sahasa of class
No.
7 for a math song.
Can you share that song, please? Yeah. We can't hear the sound.
Yes, we can't hear the sound.
I hear the sound. We can't hear the sound. You're
Please
on
remain
mute.
in
We
mute.
can't hear the sound. We can't hear the
Someone
sound.
muted the presentation. Please unmute it and repeat the presentation.
We can't hear the sound.
Unmute yourself. Don't talk.
Can you please repeat the song?
Line up the columns and things in my mind when the numbers start to grow. Meet my friends at the table, doing some 45 lives and slow. Growing, growing, and the heart with me. Trust me, just give it a chance. Now to the pencil, the pen, look what I was doing, books, and then we started dancing. Sing it like hell, you know I love this dance. Columns and handmade for somebody like me. Come and now follow my lead. I ain't no crazy, you wanna see stay boy. We're struggling so much, getting it compensating, editing hard. Come and now follow my lead, come and now follow my lead. I'm a master place values, with the dance and hundreds too. It's so easy, yes it's true. Now it's easy for me too. And my name is no more room to see that and shine it through. Every day discovering something brand new. See the man that I can do. Why? See the man that I can do. Why? See the man that I can do. Why? See the man that I can do. Every day discovering something brand new. Not as easy as it's true.
That was a fabulous song done by the girls.
Yes, that's a family song. No?
Now let's welcome our little mathematicians with their presentation.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Can you present, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yes. Ma'am, I am doing additions. 42 plus 21. 2 in a mind, take 1 in a finger. 3. 4 in a mind, take 2 in a fingers. 5, 6. 42 plus 21, total 63. Now I am doing number line addition. 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am doing for this one. Now I am doing 4 plus 4. Jumps, 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Everybody, I am the teacher. I'm studying geology. I'm to the cat. I'm to the topic. Equal to symbol. It's a canvas. And count here. Listen, stop too. Okay? It's the same canvas, okay? Sunny. I am studying 5th grade. Vignan Jyoti Public School. I am singing a song, mathematics, mathematics, mathematics. I love maths, I love maths. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math. I love math. Thank you.
Our little mathematicians have done a great job. That was brilliant. Moving on, let's have a look at another presentation on Maths is Everywhere done by Jivitesh of class 6th.
I'm studying in 6th class. Today is 22nd December, the birthday of Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan sir, who is a great Indian mathematician. On his birthday, we celebrate as Max Day. We should do anything special today. What I should do? I will show that Max is there in every part of our life. To prove this, I will play cricket and show you. Come. Here I only did only 1 over, but think that I did in first over 8 runs and in second over 6 runs. Then if anybody asks me what is the run rate of my score, then what I should do? I will take average. Average is also part of maths. How we should take average? What is average? Average is the sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Here sum of quantities are my scores and number of quantities are my overs. The sum of quantities means I have to do 8 plus 6 and number of quantities means I should divide it by 2. Then 8 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is equal to 7. 7 is a digit in maths and average is also a part of maths. Hence, I proved that maths is there in every part of our life. Thank you.
That was wonderful job done by Jivitesh. Ovia, have you done or seen a math trick ever?
Yes, I have, but not an effective one.
Okay then, let's welcome Yodan Sri Harsha of class 5th to perform the math trick.
Hi, Yogan.
Hi, Ganikana.
What are you doing?
What is the meaning of Ganit?
Mathematics.
Now I will show some Ganit tricks with matchsticks.
Oh, it's interesting. Can you please show?
Yes. Can you make this equation true by rearranging these matchsticks?
Wait, I'll try. No, Yogan, I couldn't make this.
311 plus 89 is equals to 400.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Now I will show one more.
What? 5 plus 7 is equal to 2? Is this possible?
No. But you should try. You should try by rearranging these matchsticks.
Okay, Yogan, I'll try this. No, Yogan, can you please explain me?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, could you show another example? I'll try this again.
Yes.
This time I'll surely get this answer. Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, super.
Thank you, Yogan. Yogan, now I'm going to give you some figures, but you should try this by rearranging these matchsticks. Can Can you name this figure?
It is a fish.
Yeah, it is moving in the north direction. Can you change the direction of this fish by rearranging these matchsticks?
No, I cannot do this.
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, now it is facing towards east.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I would show you another example. Can you make this square out of one big square? Can you make 5 squares?
No, I cannot do this.
Now I can show you. Yeah, this is the 5 squares.
Oh, I did not know. Next time I will definitely try to guess how to do the problem.
Yeah. Now I'll show you another figure. This. Can you name this figure?
It's a triangle.
Can you make out of this one triangle 3 small triangles?
Yes, I will try.
Wow, you made it perfectly, man.
Thanks, Anitana. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a mind-blowing trick.
Now, let's welcome back M. Revant of class 10 to ask a riddle and say a life incident of Ramanujan.
Srinivasa Ramanujan is ranked as the 19th most smartest person who ever lived. His estimated IQ was around 185. More recently, his discoveries have also been applied in the field of physics. There is a question on your screen. Please try to answer it in the chat box. The question is, I'm a 3-digit number. My second digit is 4 times bigger than the third digit. My first digit is 3 less than my second digit. Who am I? The answer for this question is 141.
Thank you very much.
Ankit?
Yes.
Ankit, till where do you recall squares of numbers?
I remember it till 25.
So what is the square of 14 and 24?
14 square is 196 and 24 square is 576.
Okay, now let's have a look at the computations on squares by class 7 students.
We are conducting square spelling competition. 5 members are here: Pranati, Srujan, G. Vaishnavi, Sharanya and Venkat from class 7th.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is K. Sanchitu. I am studying in 7th B. I am going to say about squares from 1 square to 40 square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 226, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 600, 27 square 700, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square 900, 31 square 961, 32 square 1024, 33 square 1089, 34 square 1120, 35 square 1225, 36 square 1296, 37 square 1369, 38 square 1444, 39 square 1500, and 40 square 1600.
Yes, very good. Excellent.
Good morning, all of you. My name is G. Vaishnavi from 7th A. Now I am going to tell the squares from 1 to 40. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 65 square, 25 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 30 square, 169, 40 square, 96, 50 square, 225, 60 square, 256, 70 square, 289, 80 square, 324, 90 square, 361, 20 square, 400, 21 square, 441, 22 square, 484, 23 square, 529, 24 square, 576, 25 square, 625, 26 square, 676, 27 square, 8, 729, 28 square, 784, 29 square, 841, 30, 841, 30 square, 931 square, 961, 32 square, 1024, 33 square, 1089, 34 square, 1156, 35 square, 1225, 36 square, 1296, 37 square, 1369, 38 square, 1444, 39 square, 1521, 40 square, 1600.
Very good, very good.
Good morning, good evening everyone. My name is Sharanya and I am from 7th grade. I am going to tell about from 1 square to 40 square. Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes, better.
Equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25, 6 square equals to 36, 4, 7 square equals to 49, 8 square equals to 64, 9 square equals to 81, 10 square equals to 100, 10 square equals to 121, 12 square equals to 144, 13 square equals to 169, 14 square equals to 196, 15 square equals to 225, 16 square equals to 226, 17 square equals to 289, 17 square equals to 289, 18 square equals to 324, 19 square equals to 361, 20 square equals to 400, 21 square equals to 441, 22 square equals to 484, 23 square equals to 529, 23 square equals to 484, 24 square equals to 529, 23 square equals to 529, 24 square equals to 576, 25 square equals to 625, 26 square equals to 676, 27 square equals to 729, 28 square equals to 784, 29 square equals to 841, 30 square equals to 900, 31 square equals to 961, 32 square equals to 1024, 33 square equals to 1089, 33 square equals to 1089, 34 square equals to 1156, 35 square equals to 1225, 36 square equals to 1298, 36 square equals to 1298, 36 square equals to 1298, 37 square equals to 1369, 36 square equals to 1369, 37 square equals to 1369, 38 square equals to 1444, 39 square equals to 1521, 40 square equals to 1600.
Okay.
Good afternoon. My name is Venkat Srivastav. I am from 7th C. I will tell about 1 to 40 squares. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 48, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169, 40 square, 196, 50 square, 225, 16 square, 256, 17 square, 289, 18 square is called 324, 90 square is called 361, 20 square is called 400, 21 square is called 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square is called 576, 25 square is called 625, 26 square is called 676, 27 square is called 729, 28 square is called 784, 29 square is equals 841, 30 square is equal 900, 31 square is equal 961, 32 square is equal 1024, 33 square is equal 1089, 24 square is equal 1156, 35 square is equal 1225, 36 square is equal 1296, 37 square is equal 1369, 38 square is equal 1444, 39 square is equal 1521, 40 square is equal 1600.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranati. I am studying in class 7th. Today I am going to tell numbers from squares of numbers from 1 to 40. 1 square 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 20, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 21 square 441, 961, 32 square 1024, 33 square 1048, 33 square 1156, 34 square 33 square 1089, 34 square 1056, 35 square 1225, 13 square 36 square 1295, 36 square 1296, 37 square 1369, 37 square 1369, 40 square 38 square 1444, 39 square 1521, 40 square 1600. Thank you.
That was a very close competition.
Now let me announce the winners of this competition. So first prize goes to G Vaishnavi of 7th C, who said it in 53 seconds, and second prize goes to Srujan of 7th B, who said it in 55 seconds. I congratulate both of them.
Now let's welcome Ananya of class 6th to do a presentation on Math is Everywhere.
Everybody, my name is Sananya. I'm studying in 6th study in BGPS. Today, that is 22nd December, we celebrate Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday. He is one of the greatest mathematicians in the world. We believe that only educated people will do math, but that is not true. People who are not educated will also do math in their day-to-day life. There are so many topics in math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. which we use in our daily life. But today, I have selected ratio as my topic. Kitchen is one of the best example where we use ratio. So let's go into kitchen. In kitchen, one of the basic example is cooking of rice. In our home, we will take 1:2 ratio. 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. But this is not the golden rule to cook rice. It depends on us. For example, children like to eat mashy rice. For that, we will take 1:3 ratio. 1 cup of rice, and 3 cups of water. This shows that we use different ratios, but we will use ratio method while we are cooking rice. Another major example where we use ratio is while we are preparing tea. In my home, generally my mother takes 1:1 ratio. She will take half cup of milk and she will take half cup of water to make 1 cup of tea. If others like the thicker consistency of tea, they will add more milk in their tea. Here also ratio plays an important role. So by seeing these all examples, I want to conclude that knowingly or unknowingly, by educated or by uneducated people, the math is used in their daily life. So I want to tell that math is everyday. Thank you.
That was an amazing presentation.
Now let's welcome Rama Vedakshita for the presentation on Math is Everywhere.
My name is Vedakshita, studying in 6th B in Vignana Jyoti Public School. First of all, I wish you Happy National Mathematics Day. We'll celebrate National Mathematics Day on account of Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday. Maths will be there everywhere and with everyone in our daily lives. You know that? Our maths will be there in music too. Wondering how? I will show you. So, we have 7 swaras in our music. They are called also as Saptaswaras. When we are singing, we will go to ascending order and descending order. I will explain you. The first sa when we are singing will be there in lower note, and the last sa will be there in higher note. That means ascending order. And again, the last sa will be in higher note, and the first sa will be in lower note. That is descending order. That's all. It's very simple. And we have 3 speeds. I will sing and I will show you. Sari Gama Pada Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. This is first speed. Second speed. Sari Gama Pada Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Third speed. Sari Gama Pada Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Sari Gama Pada Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. Thank you.
That was an exotic presentation.
Moving on. Ankit, do you know what is pop-up book?
No, I don't have any idea about it.
Well then, let's welcome Madhvika of class 7th to show her pop-up book.
Today I'm going to show you Srinivas Ramanujan pop-up book. Happy birthday, Srinivas Ramanujan. December 22nd. An equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. By Srinivas Ramanujan. 1724 is the Hardy Ramanujan number, and 724 is also called as taxi cab. The amazing Hardy Ramanujan number 1729. Srinivasa Ramanujan, the great Indian mathematician, born 22nd December year 1887, died 26th April year 1920,
one of the greatest mathematicians of all the times, made extraordinary combinations to mathematical analyzing and numbers. He demonstrated as usual mathematical skills at school, winning accolades and awards. By the age of 17, Ramanujan has conducted his own research, mathematical research on boundary numbers and earlier mathematical contents. Government of India has declared that Ramanujan birthdays should celebrate every year as International Mathematics Day, and the year 2012 is observed as International Mathematics Year. Ramanujan magical square. When we add the columns, we get 139. When we add rows, we get 139. When we add the corners, we get 139. When we add center, we get 139. When we add diagonally, we get 139. When we add in this same position like this, we get 139. And 139 is not a special number or magical number. What is this? The number written in the front row. It is the date of birth of Ramanujan, December 22nd, 1887. When we add the date of birth, we get 139. This is the picture of Ramanujan. This is the friend of Ramanujan, J.K. Hardy. This is the picture of taxi of 1729 number, and this is the house of Ramanujan, and this is the mother of Ramanujan, Kamala Tamala, and this is the father of Ramanujan, K. Srinivasaleja, and this is the wife of Ramanujan, Janaki Kamala. This is the paper of Ramanujan lost notebook paper, and this is another paper of lost notebook paper. One more. Thank you. This is the pop-up book. Hope you like. Thank you.
That was a fabulous presentation.
Now, let's welcome back Revan to ask a riddle and say a life incident of Ramanujan.
Srinivasa Ramanujan was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1983. He spent 5 years in Cambridge and he was awarded a PhD in mathematics. I have a question for you all. Please answer it in the chat box. The question is, A and B are brothers, C and D are sisters. A's son is D's brother. How is B related to C? The options are option A, father, option B, brother, option C, grandfather, or option D, uncle. You can answer this in the chat box. The answer for this question is option D, uncle.
Thank you, Revan. That was a tricky one. Hey, Ankit, can you solve Rubik's Cube?
No, I can't. It goes all above my head.
But I did. An open Rubik's Cube competition participated by our school students.
Today we are conducting Rubik's Cube competition. Yes, children, you can introduce yourself one by one.
My name is Basit. I'm studying 7th class B section.
I'm studying in 4th class. Section C. I'm Rana from 7th grade.
I'm Bipin Ranasai from 8th grade.
My name is Harvaran from 10th B.
Yes, on a count of 3 you can start. 1, 2, 3, start. Yes, excellent, Basit.
Someone presented the screen. We can't see the screen.
Ma'am, someone is presenting in the middle, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Someone can see.
Please be on mute, please.
Sir, we can't see the presentation. We can't hear the sound, sir.
Yes, very good, Vipin. Yes, very good, Varun.
No. I'm done.
Yes, Naina. Good. Good children. Yes, very good, Pranit. Very good. Yes, all of you once should do the screen yours cube.
That was mind-boggling.
Now let me announce the winners of this competition. First prize goes to Basit of class 7 for solving the Rubik's Cube in 36 seconds. Second prize goes to Nirbita of class 9 for solving the Rubik's Cube in 1 minute 32 seconds. Congrats, folks! Now let's move forward with quiz competition participated by students of class 10.
Is done. What is your answer?
Oh, A is uncle of B.
We can't determine anything because of the sex of D is not mentioned. Whether he male or female is not mentioned. Second question. This is the second question. This is for group B. What is your answer?
Brother.
Yeah, correct. A. Vikram.
Sir, my answer is south.
No, the answer is southwest. This is for psychic. Correct. This is for direction. What is your answer? No. The answer is OLNNIE. Pravalika.
X
Yeah.
X U
Yeah.
G
Ah.
X.
Prabhas.
46. 146.
It's 49. Obviously. What is your answer?
Sir, I got 3.2.
46 by 5. Okay. Anusha.
Descartes.
Yes, correct. Rohan.
Romanos.
No. The answer is Archimedes. And his final words is, before he's going to death, the final words of Archimedes is, don't disturb my circles. That is the answer, and the winners are Group D with 3 points. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
That was a close competition. Now let me announce the winners of this competition. They are Gopi Chand, Pravalika, Ovyashri, Saikesh, Rohan. Congrats, buddies. Now let's listen to some more valuable information from our juniors.
you. Afternoon all. My name is Veda. I am studying in Vignan Jyoti Public School. Today, December 22nd, we all are celebrating 133rd birth anniversary of Indian legendary mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. In 2012, Prime Minister of India had declared Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday as National Mathematics.
Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar, who was born on December 22nd, 1887 and was passed away on April 26, 1920, was an Indian mathematician. He is considered to be one of the most talented mathematicians in recent history. His father's name was Kupuswamy and mother's name was Komalatama.
1987. Godfrey Hardy was a professor of mathematics at Cambridge University. One day he went to visit Ramanujan. When Ramanujan heard that Hardy had come in a taxi, he asked that the number of the taxi was. Hardy said it was a just barren number 1729. Ramanujan replied 1729 was a very interesting number that could be expressed as a sum of two cubes in two different ways.
Seconds. By age of 12, he had mastered in trigonometry. He is one of the most successful mathematicians in the world. Maths is a very easy subject if we understand by using the way of formulas and procedure also. Without maths, we all are incomplete. Maths is a 65 and having a base. Good morning to all respected principal and teachers and my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Mathematics Day.
That was really a valuable, informative video.
Oh, yeah, it's been so long, right?
Yes, it's very nice.
How about a dance video?
Oh, I would love
It's
to.
very nice. I love these dance and videos.
Please me on mute. Well then, let's have a look at dance performed by energetic sisters Yashashwini of class 10 and Usha Sri of class 9.
मैथ्स किसका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है मैथ्स में रूल्स नहीं है सिर्फ जादू तो तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए दो मुर्गी तेरी दो मुर्गी मेरी चार तेरे मामे की सात सुर में जो तीन ताल मिले धुन बनी गाने की दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी बक्से से बाहर निहार हम नजरों की कीड़े की चाबी टेंशन मत लेना और बेटा ये नो इतनी तो कोई मुश्किल भी नहीं जितने हो परेशान शटर गिरा के बंद कर डालो घर की जो खुली दुकान सर पे उठाया कि बेटे किताबों का रख दो नीचे ये भार इतनी तो हल्की है बॉडी तुम्हारी बचाओ उड़ के भला और बेटा ये नो
Wow, that was an amazing dance by the energetic sisters. Let's call back Raymond to ask a riddle and see a life incident of Ramanujan.
The Man Who Knew Infinity is a 2015 film based on Kennigal's book. British actor Dev Patel portrays Ramanujan. Now I have another question. Please answer it in the chat box. The question is, how many times can you subtract the number 5 from 25? The answer is 1. Once we subtract 25 from 25, it becomes 20. So it won't be 25 again. So the answer is 1.
Thank you, Raymond. Ovia, have you ever tried to measure the height of a building?
No, I didn't think about it. Is that even possible?
Yes, of course. One of our friend K. Uma Lakshmi Varaprasad Reddy of class 10 is going to show us how to measure the height of any wall or building.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Reddy of class 10. I am going to perform an activity on clinometer. So let's begin. I wanted to find the height of this wall. I measured the distance from me to the wall using a measuring tape. Standing 3 meters away from the wall, I peeped through the clinometer to the peak of the wall. The angle recorded in the clinometer is 60 degrees. Here we know that DE equal to 3 meter, that is the distance from the wall to the observer. Also we got the angle of sight, that is 60 degrees. So we have to draw a horizontal line BC from the eye of the observer to the adjacent side, that is AC by BC. Let be equation number 1. Also we know that tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Let it be equation number 2. From equation 1 comma 2, 1 by root 3 equal to AC by 3. Then AC will be root 3. Now the height of the wall, that is AD, which can be also written as AC plus CD, because here CB is dividing the line segment AD into AC and CD. So AC plus CD equal to AD. So AD equal to 1.73 plus 1.5, that is nothing but 3.23 meters.
That was fabulous, and I will definitely try it.
Last but not the least, vote of thanks from all.
Ankit, wait. Yeah. We request Chadakeswar Rao sir, Director of Advancement, to speak a few words on this occasion.
Thank you, all of you. My dear.
Sorry, sir. In this busy time, also you joined with us. We felt very happy. In spite of your busy schedule, also you are here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I think it is wonderful moments actually. Thank you, madam. So I think today is a very, very important day. I think everybody is aware about all these I think activities that you have done extremely good. On behalf of VNR VJIT, I would like to compliment each one of you. I think you have done an extremely good job. So this entire credit goes to your teachers also, because they have done, I think, extremely well planned program. Thank you, Principal Madam, and all other maths teachers also, whoever is involved for conducting this program successfully. But I think I want to see many people, I think, should participate in this type of activity, so that definitely you will get some confidence. Okay, so that is the required actually. So in this connection, I once again thank for organizing this program on the eve of, I think, Ramanujan birthday. I think you celebrated it nicely. I think many people, they have done extremely good job. I think this is the time, I think, we have to enjoy. Anyway, I think virtually we are meeting and we are discussing all these things, but physically if we can meet, definitely I think your enjoyment will be slightly different when compared to virtually. Thank you, Arunakumari madam.
Thank you, sir.
Nice,
Thank you very much for your presence, sir. Unfortunately, today all our management members are there in the meeting at head office, sir.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
even I request you, even our children also, they feel very happy when outsiders, someone like you, they
Yes.
appreciate them. They feel very happy.
We want to see, I think, all of you, I think you have to follow their footsteps, because they're all doing extremely good job. And I think we want to see more Ramanujans from this group actually. So that
Definitely, sir.
Everybody will enjoy actually. Maths is, I think, one of even my favorite subject also, madam.
Yes, same to me also. My favorite subject is mathematics.
Exactly. I used to score good marks actually. Many times I used to get compliments from my teachers also with regarding mathematics.
Happy, very
Yeah.
happy to listen from you, sir.
Whatever the problem that teacher gives to me, within, I think, no time, I think I used to solve the problem. That way, I think, so they used to remember my abilities also in that particular direction. Yeah, this is the right time. I think each one of you, please try to acquire whatever the skills that are required today. I think without maths, there is no engineering. I think maths is very, very important. So at the same time, I think you have to also learn science subjects, also maths and science together. I think required today. I think this is a very very important activity. So unless you involve in the activity, especially I think within 36 seconds, I think you're able to solve the problems. So that is a very very good skill. I think you already acquired. So all these skills definitely will help you at the later stage, and I think this is the right time. So your teachers also, they are doing extremely good job. I would like to compliment all the teachers. I think without their support, I think it is not possible to understand the problems within, I think, within a minimum time actually. So that is the reason. That's why the teacher is very important. But nowadays, because of this online classes, I think, and we are unable to see your even feelings also. Okay, so I once again thank all of you. I think you have done extremely good job. So congratulate all the people whoever won the prizes, and at the same time, I also congratulate all others whoever lose the prizes also, because you allowed them to win the prizes. That way, I think both the people will be happy with the platform. I wish you all good luck, all the best. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your presence today. And thank you. And even see, sir also likes much mathematics, and sir used to do within seconds the mathematics problems. That is the reason sir is one of the highest positions even in Vignan Jyoti Institute of Technology. Even I wish all our students also have many more Ramanujans tomorrow. Right? Thank you once again. Thank you one and all participated. Congratulations to all of you. And we have excellent maths team. Good. Congratulations all the maths team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe last part.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Who is giving vote of
Thank
thanks?
you,
Everyone is. Yes, yes.
Please mute yourself, my dear children. I know that you all of you are eagerly waiting to see the school and the teachers. Please mute yourself. Then one of your brothers is going to give you the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. On behalf of whole PJPS family, I, Harsilo from Math Department, would like to thank each and everyone for being a part of the event. A special thanks to all the dignitaries for sparing their valuable time in spite of their busy schedule. So I thank our main support, our principal ma'am, who has always been guiding and motivating us. I thank the parents for their presence during the order of the day. I appreciate the losing children for doing a great job. Last but not least, I thank my department for being so cooperative in making this successful one. Thank you and thank you so much to all of you.
Okay, let's finish our program by national anthem.
Okay.
Please, where there is a stand up, ma'am. Thank you.
నంబర్ లెక్క పెట్టాను ఒకసారి లెక్క పెట్టరా ఇది డబ్బులు ఇవ్వాలి.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
The program is done. You can leave, ma. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.